Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Pamela, and you are watching Pam Entertainment TV, where we review movies, television series, and incidents in pop culture just to see how those incidents affect our daily lives. Listen, y'all, I've been gone for a minute now. I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club case something jump off. How you do? How you do? I've been off, basically because I've got some personal things that are going on. You know, life's, and you got to make sure that you are doing the things you need to do for life. I ask you all to please hit that like button, and if you would like to support this channel, please subscribe. It is free 99, and once you subscribe, you'll be open to a plethora of movies, television series, and pop culture chats that I am doing. This is another pop culture chat. Pop culture chat, 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 chat. Let me get my little commercial and I'll come back. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hey, please thumbs up this video, and also subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to my new videos. All right, we're getting ready to get into this. Peace. All right. You know, I've been updating this story and told you all that I will follow this story to the end, and we are going to update you all on. Let me share my screen. All right, here. Do I have it so that you can see it? Okay. We're not going to be in here long. Okay, so today is August 3rd. August 3rd, there was supposed to be a trial date. This was the trial date for Jonathan Majors. He appeared in court today, and they have again postponed this case to September 3rd. Now, according to what information that I have, I am reviewing this story via the AP. I think there Variety people, Yahoo have reviewed this story, but we're just going to use AP because they have pictures, and I like pictures. But basically, Jonathan Majors appeared in court for his August 3rd trial today at 9 a.m. As they came into the courtroom, the case has been postponed, partly because the prosecution claims that they're still in discovery, and the defense claims that the prosecution has not turned over all of their evidence. They turned over what they had at the moment yesterday, I think by 5 p.m. So basically they went in and they presented the information to the judge, and the judge has postponed this case to September 6th. 2023. I am just total confusion about this because it's like this case came about back in March. The defense presented information in May stating that their client was innocent. So to me, all the information that you needed was presented at that time. Plus the prosecution had some information that they wanted to present, which was fine. So I'm confused. There's supposed to be information from the driver. There's information from witnesses who saw the incident. There's information from all these different things. Now, again, this is what this is what the defense presented. So I'm in confusion as to why the prosecution wasn't ready. Now, I do understand that they have other cases that they're doing, but we all know when the court date was. I'm utter confusion as to what other information that you need from that night. You should have already received all the videotapes from the ATM machines. If there was any witnesses that recorded anything on their phone, all of that information should already be here. You should have the victim ready to go. I don't know if she was at court or not, uh, but all that information should be ready. To postpone it one more time seems a bit much. So we're going to meet in September. However, if this case is postponed another time, I'm going to be looking side eye at the judge, because at this point, if the prosecution is not ready, they ain't going to ever get ready. And so they need to make a decision whether or not they're going to try this case, or are they going to dismiss this case, or whatever they need to do. They need to go ahead and do it. So that is basically the update. There is no new information uh, since the last time I reported. And at that time, I reported that Jonathan Majors went into the police department, two police departments, uh, Chelsea Police Department, because that's where he lives, and he reported it. And he also went to Chinatown's police department and reported the incident. Both of those precincts decided that there was enough probable cause to have Miss Jabari, who is Jonathan Major's ex-girlfriend, who is the complainant in this case, arrested. Now, it is my understanding that she's still in England. She has not come back to the United States. But if the prosecution is looking for her to come, she should be back. I don't know. And like I said, we have to show grace in this instance. This woman says that she was hurt. She needs her day, and she says that she was hurt. She's put forth the information as she understands it. The prosecution has received this information. The defense has taken time to then debunk the allegations that she has put forth. So now there is a trial. There should be a trial date. Remembering that Jonathan Majors is the person that is on trial. He has certain rights in this case. Number one, he has a right to a speedy trial. He has a right to see all evidence put forth against him, and all of these little different things that are afforded to him in the Constitution of the United States. So, but that's just what we have. That's all the information that we have. And we are just going to move on. Listen, you see it scrolling down at the bottom of the page. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. That is all I would need. I am so grateful for all the subscribers that I have right now. But if you see it in your heart, just subscribe to my channel. Please do. The subscribe button is down there at the bottom. So please subscribe. Now, we are about to get into another accusation. We have Miss Lizzo. Let us see. So we have Miss Lizzo. Now, Lizzo has been sued in civil court. Let me put my taped glasses on, because we're going to go over this information. It's on the screen. But let me see. Yeah. Let's see if we can make this bigger over here. There. I hope y'all can see that. Okay. It says this information is coming from Vox website. The Lee Zhao is the reporter. And it says the allegations against Lizzo briefly explained. So she has 3 former dancers that are accusing her of sexual harassment, and Lizzo denies these accusations. So let's see what's going on. It says here Lizzo, a pop star who has built her brand on both body positivity and empowering upbeat hits, is facing a new lawsuit that levels serious allegations, including claims that she created a hostile work environment and engaged in sexual harassment. Lizzo has denied these allegations, which has raised questions both about her treatment of employees as well as the reality of the image she has cultivated as a champion of plus size women and women of color. The lawsuit was filed by three of Lizzo's former dancers this week. Also alleges misconduct by her production company, Big Girl Big Touring Inc., and her dance team captain, Shirlene Quigley. Not Miss Shirlene. All right now. Uh, Among the claims included in the suit is that Lizzo pressured dancers into unwanted sexual situations, made statements that were perceived as thinly veiled comments about a dancer's weight gain, and put people through grueling rehearsals that led to one dancer soiling herself. All right. Also, according to the allegations, and what I'm doing right now is just like paraphrasing and briefly going over what's going on. Her dance captain, Shirlene Quigley, has been accused of trying to indoctrinate the dancers into Christianity. Also, she's accused of uh, inappropriate sexual talk. She has told them about her sexual fantasies and things like that, in regards to all of that. Also, to her production team has been sued. Apparently, Lizzo and the production team went to different places. And I know of one place that they went to Amsterdam, and there they went to a, I don't know if they call it a burlesque show or to call it a sex show. But what is alleged by one of the complainants is that Lizzo put a lot of pressure on them to participate in sexual acts being performed on stage by sexual performers, which is one include eating a banana out of a woman's vagina. All right. So as we go down this thing, Lizzo, what is going on? Here we go. She made a statement, and basically she said these last few days have been gut wrenching, difficult, and overwhelmingly disappointing. My work ethic, morals, and respectfulness have been questioned. My character has been criticized. Usually I choose not to respond to false allegations, but these are as unbelievable as they sound and are too outrageous not to be addressed. These sensationalized stories are coming from former employees who have already publicly admitted that they were told their behavior on tour was inappropriate and unprofessional. As an artist, I have been very passionate about what I do. I take my music and my performances seriously because at the end of the day, I only want to put out the best art that represents me and my fans. With passion comes hard work and high standards. Sometimes I have to make hard decisions, but it's never my intention to make anyone feel uncomfortable or like they aren't valued as an important part of the team. I am not here to be looked at as a victim, but I also know that I am not the villain that people in the media have portrayed me to be these last few days. I am very open with my sexuality and expressing myself, but I cannot accept or allow people to use that openness to make me out to be something I am not. There is nothing I take more seriously than respect we deserve as women in the world. I know that feels like I know what it feels like to be body shamed on a daily basis and would absolutely never criticize or terminate an employee because of their weight. So that is what Lizzo had put out. Also, let's see, these are the allegations. But I also wanted, I'm not going to go through all of this, but I also wanted to put out that there was uh, a director, a creative director who put out information that Lizzo was hard to deal with, hard to work with. Also, there was a makeup artist that put out information stating that Lizzo was hard to work with. and difficult. So we're seeing not only the information being put forth by the plaintiffs who are suing Lizzo, but now we're seeing other people who have worked in her sphere reporting that they have had some issues and problems with Lizzo. So we're going to continue to follow this case. This case is going to be interesting nonetheless. Real interesting nonetheless. And like I said, this is the as you see on the screen right now, this is the information that I read from Lizzo's Instagram page, Lizzo Be Eaten. And that is her Instagram handle. So tell me what y'all think about all of this stuff. I'm going to follow Lizzo's case. I will down the line do an in-depth timeline just to kind of go over this case. I'm going to look at the actual uh, pleading to see exactly what's being stated in here. I will do that at a later date. I just wanted to come on and let you know that this is some stuff that's going on. Also, we have Tory Lanez, which will have his sentencing done in Monday or Tuesday of next week. His lawyers have presented their case to ask that they presented their case to ask that he get probation and then enter into a rehab facility. Don't know how that's going to work out, but that is what they're asking. The prosecution is still asking, I think, anywhere from 7 to 13 years in regards to Tory Lanez. So that's all we have right now on Pop Culture Chat. We also have, if you are familiar with, what is that show? Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Alumni Jocelyn Hernandez. She does the cap was Jocelyn's Cabaret. She has a whole show on the Zeus Network. Well, maybe last month, Jocelyn had been fighting at a fight. And anyway, she has a warrant out for her arrest because she assaulted police officers while she was being arrested, and so there is a warrant out for her arrest at this time. I don't know if she's turned her in as we record this pop culture chat, but that's what's going on. We've just got a lot of celebrities showing out, cutting up, and acting up, and getting sued. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Listen, also, I wanted to go over to what my channel is going to look like now that there is a writers and a actors strike. So, I probably will do more pop culture chats because that is going to be where information is going to be coming up weekly. Also, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to review movies that have been gone on in the past. I'm going to look at these movies with more mature eyes. I've done this with Eve's Bayou. Go check out my review of Eve's Bayou. But I'm going to go back through and find some movies that I have enjoyed. And I will do a review or a watch along for that. So we will be doing some things like that. There are some television shows and things like that that are out right now that I'd like to review. And I'm just pretty much thinking about those things right now. But I do know that I will probably do a movie that has come out in the past, and we will review this. So that will be my retrofit. That's what I'm going to call it, retrofit. And we will go back and review movies that have, and I'm going to try to make it sure that it goes from like 2 years and beyond back, so that we can review those movies and then have some commentary. I also would like to do a couple of lives that way, reviewing those movies and have you all join me. So you all let me know if that's something that you're interested. Put that down in the comments. I need to hear from you. You are my fans. I am here to try to I want this channel to be a lot of the things that I enjoy, reviewing movies, reviewing television series, and doing pop culture chats. But I'd like to hear from you. Tell me what you'd like to see. All right, people. We've been here long enough. Again, please subscribe, support this channel, and please subscribe. Hit that like button. Just let me know that you're here. Please leave me a comment. I respond to my comments. Tell me hi. Tell me hey. Tell me what you feel about whatever specific topic. Let me know if there's something that you want to see. Just respond in the comments because that helps with my engagement, and it also helps me on my quest for 1,000 subscribers. All right. I know that this is a big goal for me, and I hope that you all will help me reach this goal. All right, people. As always, bye bye.